Now tonight, on the race to succeed David Maraga as Chief Justice, we shine our spotlight on Justice William Ouko and lawyer Alice Yano. What are their academic and professional credentials that make them stand out? Duncan has been doing a background check on the two candidates and filed the following report.
William Ouko, a justice of the court.
60-year-old Justice William Ouko Okello, who was born in 1961 in Siaya County, is a holder of a Bachelor of Laws degree from the University of Nairobi and Masters of Arts in Criminology and Criminal Justice from Egerton University. With 33 years under his belt in the corridors of justice, Ouko stands out as one of the longest-serving judicial officers, emerging as an insider who has seen it all and has been through all the twists and turns in the judicial system. William Ouko was admitted to the bar in 1987 and briefly worked at Mbogoli Msaga and Company Advocates before joining judiciary as a district magistrate, rising through the ranks within 2 years, becoming a deputy registrar of the High Court in 1989. Come 1997, he was promoted to Chief Court Administrator, serving in the position until 2002, when he became the Registrar of the High Court. In 2004, President Mwai Kibaki appointed him a High Court judge, and in 2012, he was elevated to the Court of Appeal. In 2018, he was elected President of the Court of Appeal, taking over from Justice Paul Kihara Kariuki, who was appointed Attorney General. As President of the Court of Appeal, Justice William Ouko is among judicial officers who have been piling pressure on President Uhuru Kenyatta to appoint 41 judges. 10 of them were to serve at his Court of Appeal, which is experiencing a massive deficit. And when the president failed to heed former CJ David Maraga and LSK calls to nominate the 41 judges, Ouko made a bold move of closing other Court of Appeal stations countrywide and recalled all the remaining judges to Nairobi. In the event, he lands in the Supreme Court and becomes the new Chief Justice. Then Ouko will become the first judicial officer to have risen from the lowest rank as a district magistrate to become Chief Justice, President of the Supreme Court, and the head of judiciary. Also in the mix to land in the country's apex court is High Court advocate Alice Yano. At 53 years, she stands out as the youngest of the 10 candidates who will be appearing for vetting starting Monday, April 12th, as the Judicial Service Commission seeks to replace Justices David Maraga and J.B. Ojwang, who exited the legal theatre stage upon hitting the retirement age of 70. Yano, who practices mostly in Kajiado County, commands a wealth of experience of over 25 years of legal practice and served as a commissioner in the then Professor Yash Palgai-led Constitution of Kenya Review Commission, CKRC. Born in 1968 in Elgeyo Marakwet County, Alice Yano earned her Bachelor's of Law degree from the University of Nairobi in 1993, then a postgraduate diploma from Kenya School of Law a year later. In 1995, she was admitted to the bar and hit the ground running, starting as a legal advisor at the Kenya Industrial Estate Limited, and would the same year begin her law firm, where she remains the proprietor until now. Yano, who acted as the county attorney for Elgeyo Marakwet County government between 2013 and 2014, is currently pursuing a master's degree in business administration at the African Nazarene University. Duncan, KTN News.